Hey, it's Robert here at Repurpose and Reuse. Today I'm taking this cane I picked up at a thrift store for I think $3 or $4 from the cane factory in Ithaca, New York, and this old vintage hammer that I got for I think about $1. And I'm going to take off the head of the hammer from the handle and put on my cane and make a funny new conversation piece for when I'm walking around town. So let's get to it. All right, my newest walking cane. Thanks, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Repurpose and Reuse, where I take everyday commonplace objects and turn them into new creation.